What up, guys? Good morning. All right, so today is a bright and beautiful day, and I've come out of my cold situation. You guys know, I told you guys the last time I vlogged that I was having cold. Like my whole freaking nose was blocked. I couldn't even breathe. Yeah, I'm a tan in this area, and with this big, very big gutter that water usually pass through down to the one ridge or whatever down there. It's so freaking cold, and for the fact that my apartment is upstairs, all right, makes it even worse. So the cold and the catarrh this time was out of this world. Like I couldn't even breathe, so I just had to just manage myself. So Jenny is here.
Hello, good morning.
Alright, so we're actually planning on something. We want to prank my mom, our mom again,
And dad.
do you know if it's going to come out? But
And siblings.
little nieces and nephew, they're actually inside though. Alright, so the plan is going to be like, what? Do you mind telling?
Pranking them. That.
We lost the car! She's out of her mind. You're actually out of your
Well,
mind.
it's not my fault. Yesterday was my birthday. So that's it.
Yeah. Okay, yesterday
You have to
was
be happy.
our birthday. Yesterday was 4th of January. Okay, it was our birthday. So the plan is gonna be that missing car prank. Alright, my car is down there. You guys can like briefly see there. Okay, so I'm gonna go drive the car outside. I'm gonna be parking it just around this place. Alright, so I'm gonna go upstairs, hide the camera around somewhere, and let's go inside the car and drive it out. So, yeah. My neighbor.
Oh, sorry. The neighbor.
Yeah, so we're gonna go drive the car outside and park it outside there.
Outside.
And then
And
we're
then
gonna
the prank
come.
will begin. Make sure you laugh with us.
So,
Cry with us. Anyway.
or cry because of course we're not losing the car.
It's just
So
a prank.
it's just a prank. So let's get into the ride right now. Hey, what's up?
Happy New Year. Wow, this is the first time I've seen this year.
Yeah, seeing you.
Yeah.
How is it?
How was the celebration?
It was really great. It was really. Are you
I
coming
can see
from
you.
work?
Yeah, sorry?
Coming from
No,
work?
I was just going out. I forgot something, so I want to pick.
Oh.
Forgot my phone.
Oh, okay. All right. Alright, so we're actually driving out so we can, just park the car around somewhere so we can make the story believing. Oops. Okay, because when she comes out and see the car downstairs, she'll be like, you guys are pranking at me. Alright, so that's why we want to drive. We want to park the car outside so the freaking prank will begin. Is gonna be leaving. You know what we mean? Alright, so back outside now. So the next thing is to go inside and set the camera. Alright, so what we're gonna do is that when you go inside, we're gonna be using my phone. Alright, my iPhone. Yeah, it's there. We'll go and bring it. You go inside and take it, and then you have to go down to the video part so you can set it. Okay. So in case they are in the parlor and they're in the parlor, so you're gonna try to hold the phone in a more steady, stylish way, so they don't get to understand. So we see their reaction from the inside, because I definitely kind of think that she's gonna want to come out. So I'm gonna place the camera outside. Alright, so she wouldn't even, I'll place it in a place where she won't even notice or whatsoever. So let the prank begin. So when we got here, we we're like kind of thinking, what are we going to, say that would be convincing? So we just wanted to tell you guys. So what are you going to say when you get this?
I will say that as we were going to see a friend, so one huge guy from nowhere came and said that we are so small to own a car or to be riding a car alone, that we stole it. So he seized it, or he too took it, that we should come back with our...
No, how can you say you should come back? That he took it and he took it away and that was away. Alright, so let's go and set this camera down there, and we're going to go inside and also set the camera at the sitting room, so any which way she comes out to see the camera. Alright, let's go. So I just tried to set the camera and
I know what person is. I want to
What kind of rubbish is that?
like I took it
People are here playing. They are playing the senior car. You are here playing.
I took the car from
Lord of
here.
Jesus.
I just went out, just buy something, and all of a sudden the guy just raised his phone and now brought out the phone. And he didn't bring out the phone, he just raised his trouser up and now showed me the gun, the hidden gun, and I couldn't just do anything. I just gave him the car key.
Can we go to the police station? Can we go? Let us go.
We can go
Let's
now.
go.
We can go. But where are you guys? Where do you think that Nigerian police is just going to locate that?
That is just the problem we have with Nigerian police, because if you go there, they will begin to ask you some nasty questions that you will not be able to,
want to keep.
What is happening?
Yeah, I don't know.
What is happening?
Oh.
Where can we go? What should we do? Okay, what do you want us to do? Since if we should go to the police,
And the only thing, let's go to the police station, Abby. Because I can't just imagine myself. I'm just still in shock. I'm still in shock.
That new car that is never up to a year.
Yeah. I'm still in super shock right now.
Let's go to the police station now. What are we waiting for?
let's do something. Let's do something, please. Let's do something. Let's do something.
And let's go to the
Let's do
police
Let's
something.
go to the police station.
Let's do something.
Let's
We can't keep
go to
waiting.
the police.
We can't keep waiting.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go to the police station.
She's actually gone downstairs.
Let's
Let me
go.
show you guys.
Let's go.
Where is she? She has gone downstairs. She's going to the police station. She wants to go to the police station alone. Look at her. Ekami. Wait, hold on. Wait, it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. I'm serious. The car is outside. It's just by the gates. Look at them. Look at the whole family. They all came on holiday in my house. Just full everywhere. My mom wanted to go to the police station. Wanted to go to the police station. What would you have told police people. Let me. You wanted to go to the police station. Why would you have told the police people?
You keep the car outside?
Yes,
somewhere?
no, yes.
Thank you.
The car that I just finished washing.
Imagine, after I've just finished washing the car. That's on my dream. So thank you. So this
What were you wanting? Give me the camera there. What were you intending to go and tell the police people?
In fact, I will just go. I don't know. I will just be shouting at them. I will just be shouting. I don't know. I will tell them that they snatched my daughter's
I didn't even see this one.
at gunpoint. In fact, that's just what I will tell them. That they should at least maybe send messages everywhere at the checkpoints, you know, to like hold some people that will be riding. I don't know. How would they know?
Like seriously, it was a prank. It was a plan.
So sorry for the heart attack.
Planned it.
But yeah, it was a very good plan. Plank.
Planned again.
Alright guys, so that will be the end of this beautiful oh my god. What do I always say prank? If you don't find this video interesting, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video, and I will be back with another beautiful prank. For now, adios.